Hi there, welcome back to my vlog. Today, I want to bring you into my world, a glimpse into the life of an OFW structural engineer working here in the Middle East. It's a journey filled with challenges, but also with purpose, growth, and pride. So yes, I work here as a structural engineer, and each day brings its own rhythm. I spend time checking designs, coordinating with different teams, and sometimes doing site inspections, making sure things are built right. From beams and slabs to columns and foundations, I deal with it all. And it's technical, yes, but also exciting. Because I know that every drawing I touch, every decision I make, becomes part of something real. Of course, there are hard days too. Sometimes we receive NCRS. There are urgent design changes, or deadlines that feel impossible to meet. Add to that the emotional side, being far from family, working long hours, carrying pressure quietly. But those are the days that shape us. As OFWs, we push through, because we know what we're doing this for. And one thing I've truly learned, every problem has an end. You just need to keep moving forward, with strength in your hands and faith in your heart. What feels hard today will one day make sense, and you'll look back, realizing how far you've come. I want to say thank you, especially to my manager, Engineer Jay Animas. Thank you, sir, for the support and trust. And to all OFWs watching this, let every challenge be your reference, not just for pain, but for wisdom. You know what's crazy? Sometimes I walk through the city and I see the buildings I helped design, the ones that started as just sketches, lines on a screen. Now they're standing, bold, real, massive. And in that moment, I feel proud, really proud. Most people, they'll never know who designed the footings, who placed the columns, who made sure the beams wouldn't fail, but I know. I was there. I made the calls, stayed late, fixed problems no one even saw coming. And now, every time I pass by that building, I smile. Because all those deadlines, all the stress, all the pressure, it became something real, something permanent. We don't just build structures. We build legacy, we build landmarks, we build safety, we build dreams that other people live and work inside. And maybe they won't remember my name, but those buildings will always speak for me. And that's more than enough. Thank you for being with me today. If this vlog spoke to you, feel free to like, share, or subscribe. Keep going, keep growing, and never forget what you're building, both in the world and in yourself. Take care, and see you in the next vlog.